I'd like to tell you about a case in which we used a forensic meteorologist to prove the case. We had a gentleman who pulled a car into a parking lot. It had been snowing and raining and got very cold the night before, and he drove into the parking lot, parked in a parking space, stepped out of the vehicle, and immediately slipped and fell on some black ice on that parking lot. He sustained multiple fractures and other injuries. And he came to us and said, "Do I have a slip and fall case? Can I go after the place where the parking lot was?" And I said, "Yes, but we're going to need a forensic meteorologist. That is a weather specialist, a scientist who studies weather. And it's very advanced now. They can study what the weather was in that location precisely on that day or the day before or the night before or the week before. They know many, many different scientific criteria that you and I would not normally think about." So we used a forensic meteorologist to study how long the precipitation was on the ground, how low the temperatures went, how the black ice formed, and why the property owner should have engaged the services of a snow removal company, should have laid salt down or some other protective device, maybe should have even cordoned off a part of the parking lot if it was dangerous to walk on. And we use that evidence to help our victim become compensated because of the negligence of that property owner.